Hello Mii fans, this is the second workshop from the Mii UK community and I'm Torlin. This month I'm asking you to make something around the theme of the Mii logo, in any way or medium you want. It would be quite unfair of me to ask you to do something and not participate, so I have decided to make a banner, a Mii banner, in chainmail.
Yup, chainmail, the stuff that has been protecting soldiers since the 4th century BC. Thousands and thousands of rings offering protection against cuts and thrusts, yet flexible. So, what do you need to make chainmail? First, you need coffee. Then, some metal wire. You turn it into little coils. Then cut the coils, bit by bit. You get rings, and you will need rings. A lot of rings. And you need pliers. All the pliers. And then more coffee, of course. You could buy the rings, of course, if you're lazy like me. What can you do with it? Well, jewelry. Or clothing accessories. And that is what I am trying to make. And that's where I am so far. This is going to be a long month.